Hi, welcome to Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Today we're at High Five Fitness and I'm going to teach you how to do a chest and back workout on the cable machine. This is a great piece of equipment because it's so versatile. So to start, go ahead and lower each cable on each side of the machine down here to about chest level. Then make sure that you set your weight on the lowest level to start. Next, hold on to the balls that are connected to the cable and step 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. Abs in tight, feet are as wide as the hips. We're gonna put some tension here on the cables and then bring the cables to the front of your chest and then release them back. So there's tension throughout this entire exercise. We're working the pectoralis major and the head of the bicep here. So this is a great front of the body workout. And then to complement this, I'm gonna turn around and work the opposing muscles, which are in the upper back. So this time we're doing a reverse cable crossover. So holding on to the opposite sides of the cables with them crossed, we're gonna reach the arms out to the sides, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then bring them back to the starting position. Extend as you breathe out, and breathe in as you come back to center. Repeat this 10 times per exercise. Now, for a bonus, if you really want to get into that upper back and work those muscles back there for better posture, you can do one more exercise. Take these two handles and place them together onto the clip. Then step back a few inches, straighten the arms, pull the abs in, and bring the cable towards you, and then release it back to center. Bring it in and release. You can also increase the weight that you have this cable set on, but to start, I always like to start a little lower and then increase as the exercise goes on. Thanks for watching Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Have a great day.